Oh, this is one of the cameras. Hey, Mafia, we're out here, baby. All right, this is feeling a little too risky. I'm gonna get down from here. I decided to hang low in the bushes for a bit, but inside the house, the boys were only getting more and more suspicious. So I'm planning on stealing some food and making some breakfast for myself, which is gonna be really tasty. Here we go. All right, here we go. What was that? I'm gonna check my cameras. After what felt like an eternity of waiting, the boys finally left the kitchen. It looks clear. Okay, here we go. I think we're clear. Oh my gosh. I'm so hungry. What is this? Beef? Oh, this is the freezer. Please be our fridge. Oh my gosh. Thank God. Yes, 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 yes. Bro has half-eaten pancakes in here. So good. So I've been living in your house.